beating faster, so respiration is more, everything is lungs are, you are breathing faster, heartbeat, everything change, pupils dilate so that you are able to see clearly. All these changes are helping you to get active. So whether it is running or facing, you have to be on your toes.
So is all stress negative? Is every stress negative? Can you say that?
No, all the stress is not negative. So when the stress is not negative, it is a positive. So it is kind of a giving you a motivation to move forward. So that is a positive stress.
Yeah. So eustress is a positive stress. When do you experience that? When you watch an exciting movie, a cricket match,
Sports activity.
yeah.
Yeah. Or a competitive, working in competitive spirit.
Yeah. Or if you have an exam, you need to prepare, you will get a positive stress. So when that becomes too much, when that positive stress becomes too much, goes overboard, तो उसका बन जाता है डिस्ट्रेस.
will become negative stress. Stress, yes.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि स्ट्रेस बिल्कुल ही खराब है. थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रेस आपको जितना आप सह सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द इवेंट. ओके, तो ये स्ट्रेस मैंने जैसा बताया आपको कि द बॉडी prepares the reaction, or mind also is reacting to this external situation. Now what inside your body is preparing that, which is the physiological system? I'm going into a little physiology because you need to understand that. Then we will be able to control it better.
Yeah, and in Velocity they are working on wellness. So
absolutely.
It will be making sense if we go into that.
So there is the nervous system and your endocrinal, that means your glands, which are working towards this stress.
Hormones is a common term or everybody knows. So body
yes.
is secreting certain hormones.
And there is a nervous system. तो अपने nervous system में हम लोग हाथ पैर हिलाते हैं, जो voluntary activity करते हैं, वो छोड़ के there is an involuntary activity करने वाला autonomous nervous system. Okay, so your digestion happening, your heart is beating automatically. So you don't need to do anything. Food is digested. So you don't need to do anything for that. It happens automatically. So within that autonomous nervous system, there is one sympathetic nervous system and there is one parasympathetic nervous system. तो ये sympathetic nervous system जो है वो आपको activity कराता है. It makes you more dynamic. It creates more tension. It creates more energy. It makes you work. And the parasympathetic nervous system will make you settle down. It will make you peaceful. Your digestive functions, your other functions, whatever excretory function, those will function better when your parasympathetic nervous system is in control. So which nervous system is in control when you are in stress?
Sympathetic is working.
Absolutely right. Sympathetic nervous system is working. And which is the okay, so this within the nervous system, your sympathetic nervous system
is like your accelerator.
Absolutely.
It is going.
And in the endocrinal system, there are two caps over your kidneys which are called as adrenal glands. They are secreting hormones like cortisol, which will develop stress in your body. So whenever you are having this situation which is more challenging, dangerous, perceived situation, this cortisol is going to come, and there are other hormones also which will be secreted, and all these reactions which we talked about, they will be generated. Okay, so obviously now when we talked about this, some people get stress, some people don't get stress, right? So what is it that helps you increase your stress taking capacity? Now we come to yoga. Okay, so yoga is the tool, it is a preparation which makes you handle more stress. So you must have seen people who in high stress situations also, they are very cool, they are very composed, and they are able to handle the situation. Their mind is calm and they are able to take intelligent decisions in balance. So yoga is samatvam yoga uchyate, which means you have to be in balance in every situation. That is what yoga is going to do, and that is going to help you, and that is the tool which is going to help you in handling the stress. Okay, so Sanjay, what in yoga will help you in stress? What exactly?
Yoga, basically, yoga is a lifestyle. It's the way you lead your life. It's the way you adjust your life with. So yoga is a philosophy. Yoga is a practical way of living, and because of which you are having, it's like an inbuilt mechanism that your stress handling capacity is naturally getting better. So just say now, when you opened the topic, you said we discussed about having a capacity to handle stress. So in yoga, yoga is helping you to work on your mind, internal mental strength of a person. So when that inner strength is there, whatever challenge is coming, I look at that challenge maybe as an opportunity. I look at the challenge not as a shock. Rather, I accept that situation and look wisely what I can do and get out of it. That is what yoga is making our mind get ready for accepting the challenge. So that is what is happening in yoga.
So I don't have a earphone here, so I don't know.
I think I'll switch off this fan on top.
So there are two situations in which yoga will help you. One, when you are stressed already, what do you do? You are already under stress, so what do you do? And second is, you want to develop the stress handling capacity. So in this situation also, what can you do? So in when you are already
First,
stressed,
improving your stress handling capacity, see, there are two situations. One, the person is in stress and then goes to do yoga, or some person who's already doing yoga. So now let us, for this forum, we take that we are people talking to everyone who is now after reaching in a stressful situation, are moving towards yoga for solution. So in such condition, first of all, I have to learn to accept my stress, that this is the situation I am in. And I'm sure I must welcome everybody on this point, because you have already accepted it. That is why we are logged on for this session also on yoga on stress management. So certainly that first starting step is already taken. So now we have to come to an action plan. So in yoga, it's not all theory or talk or philosophy only. The yoga is 100% practical way. So basic first thing is, when there is a stress, what happens is there is subconscious, there is a spasm. So my joints are rigid, my movements are rigid, my body is shrinking. So I need to open up and stretch and extend myself physically. So the best thing you would start is just doing some sukshma vyayam, or the simple joint movements which help to create nice mobility in the joint. And when the joint is mobile, my movement, my freedom to move improves. So that is the starting point.
yeah. So I'm sure you are going to mention a lot of techniques over here.
Yes.
And just because our guests, they have heard the technique, they should not right away go and start doing it. They
No,
have to,
not at all. You certainly have to learn the techniques from the expert yoga teacher in your nearby locality. Join a yoga class.
and look
Learn
for a
it from
certified
the
teacher who is
expert.
certified by the government, because I think government has got a very good syllabus for training people. Only those who are trained under this syllabus, you should be
You
learning
should be
from them.
approaching such teachers. Correct.
So what other thing do you think apart from
So
Sukshma Vyayam?
Sukshma Vyayam will be addressing respective joints in the body, starting from your neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Like these are the simple joint. Spine, our entire spinal column, each vertebra is a joint. Hip joint, knee joint, ankle joint, all the joints, because that is where my mobility comes from. So that is the first thing I will work on. That is number one. Then asana, because normally when we join a yoga class, we definitely want to learn more about the asana. So by the very word asana, asana means a posture which is a steady and comfortable. There is a yoga sutra which calls it as Sthira Sukham Asana. I don't want to load you heavily with different sutras, but at least one simple sutra which is not so complicated, Sthira Sukham Asana, very simple thing. It's better to know.
So what exactly you
yeah.
are trying to say is asana is not exercise. Asana is not a physical exercise where you are trying to develop the muscles. It is
See, exercise means movement, and for a person who is already stressed, his body is overworked mentally, emotionally. So for him, he needs to settle down and relax. So when you are doing asana, you are actually helping your body to become sthira, stable and comfortable. So that is why asana is important against exercising.
which asanas do you recommend? Which type of asanas do you recommend?
Let us take a consider a case where you are heavily into a stress. So the best ideal way would be sleeping, supine movement. Yeah. So lying down postures like Yastikasan, Pavan Muktasan, these will be the sleeping asana. Then if you are little better, let's assume that we are not so worse. So for you and me, what ideally you should look for is a development of a whole spine movement. So for our spinal column can be stretched up, you can bend forward. I'm showing my hand here. So assuming this is my spine, I need to stretch and lengthen my spine. I need to bend forward. I need to bend backward. I need to twist my body, and I will need to create a lateral bend. So these are different bends that are possible on my spine or to my spine. And am I exercising my spine? Am I utilizing all these moves of the spine? So if you start using these moves, there will be good improvement. That will be a nice first step to start with.
Yeah. And for a person who is already in stress, there are very quick things like Shavasana or Makarasana, which is a conscious relaxation. Shavasana is the corpse pose, Makarasana is the crocodile pose.
Yeah.
So these are very good conscious relaxation poses. After that, abdominal breathing is a very good technique.
Conscious relaxation poses, the beauty of these postures is your body is on the ground. So your body weight is evenly distributed in the maximum surface, and the heart doesn't have to pump the blood against gravity. Since you are sleeping on the floor, everything is rested. So heart naturally comes to your at rest quickly just by that lying down posture. So that is it. Normally, for a stress, you may just sleep. That sleep is different and Shavasana is different. Yeah.
Abdominal breathing is something which I highly recommend because that works on for a person who's under stress. Breath awareness, watching your breath for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that is a very good technique. You can learn that from any yoga teacher.
You can do it just right now also. Just as you are seated here, keeping your eyes closed. For a moment, let's do it for 1 minute, everybody. Keep your eyes closed, sitting tall, upright in your seats. It's okay even if you are seated on the chair. And just be present to the breathing that is occurring. Have a feeling of gratitude towards this system which is working for you right from your birth or even before your birth. Breathing in air, oxygen, vitality, and breathing out toxins, carbon dioxide, negativity. Just witness this for a moment and slowly open your eyes.
Yes, quite relaxing.
Yeah, it's
Instantly.
instant. I say now, be stressed now. That is it.
Apart from that, there are some specific techniques like Kapalbhati is there, Om chanting is there. Then these are for immediately working on your stress.
See what, when you're doing Om chanting, or it is more, it's like a extended breathing out. So even if you're doing a humming, that deep long exhalation will bring your abdominals inwards. Just do humming with me. Everybody sitting tall, inhale and just do till it fades away, and again one more inhale, one more humming. Wonderful. You have your own capacity to create your own music, your own humming, and it is so relaxing.
Yeah. And of course, any kind of meditation, I have shared certain links with Stan for sharing with you certain meditations, some guided meditations that will really help in handling the stress when you are in stress. Yeah. Stan, you can send that one of the. Okay. Now this is a Yoga Nidra.
Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat.
Now this I am talking about Yoga Nidra.
Adjust your
It's a little
blanket,
long-term
close
preparation for handling
your
stress.
position so that you can practice Yoga Nidra without moving and with no physical discomfort.
Okay, Stan, I think that's enough.
Close your eyes.
It's a 30-minute audio. Stan will be sharing this link with all of you. So later on, you can refer to this link and do along. Yeah.
Now, this is especially for those people who have been experiencing stress often or continuously. So there are some people, stress is supposed to be it's a support tool which has been given to your body to protect yourself. But if you get stressed every minute by something or other in a work situation or a home situation, then these bad chemicals and then this sympathetic nervous system, which I talked about earlier, it is going to harm your system. And that is what exactly happens when you get into the lifestyle diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, or arthritis, or asthma, or PCOD, or whatever. These are all the recent diseases which we see. This, for such people, the Yoga Nidra is a very good tool. Once in a day, 30 minutes, you rest, your system settles down, it will work very well. Apart from that, there is one more Antar Maun technique which you can learn from your teacher. You can write down Antar Maun. And if you can practice a 15 minutes meditation every day in the morning when you wake up, that is going to really, really work very positively on your stress and reverse your lifestyle diseases. They are not your companions. They are unwanted, and you can get rid of those people, those things from your life. So to get away, you can practice these things. And what would you talk?
Pranayam.
Yeah, pranayam. What would you talk about AVAV?
AVAV is
थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करें.
आहार, विहार, आचार और विचार. AVAV. मेरा आहार यानी कि मेरा डाइट, भोजन. आई एम श्योर आपने कल ही आयुर्वेदिक लेक्चर आपने सुना है, तो उसमें काफी सारा डाइट के ऊपर उन्होंने आपको जानकारी दी है. सो दैट इज अबाउट डाइट. एंड मेरे हिसाब से एक डाइट का रूल है, सिंपल रूल. जब मैं खाना खाने बैठ रहा हूँ और बैठ रही हूँ, अच्छे से पहले तो खा लेना चाहिए. अच्छा खाने के बाद मेरा पेट तो भर गया, मेरा मन नहीं भरा है, इसलिए मैं जो खा रहा हूँ वो गलत है, उसको जाने दो, क्योंकि वहीं से अपना पेट बिगड़ने का कार्यक्रम शुरू होता है. So that is a simple word. And उसके लिए योग में शब्द है मिताहार. So मित यानी कि कम खाना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा भर चढ़ के पेट भर के नहीं खाना है, सावकाश खाना है.
So that is going to
the-
create stress to your body, physical stress to your body if you eat more than what is required.
Yes.
So moderation is the
Moderation
rule.
and digestible food, easily digestible food you should be consuming. It has to be balanced and
And at proper
balanced.
time.
Yes, that's all. I think that is the basic I could share about.
And that is
it.
at all at the right time.
Yes.
Next is
Ahara Vihara. Vihara is a movement, recreation, free time. So, what do I do in my free time? Just look at a small child. When he is given a free time, what is he doing? He's playing. And when do we play? And what kind of games we play? We are still on the mobile doing the games. The play, the sport has to be physical, run, uh, get active, physically movement hona chahiye. So that is one thing. So Vihara in yoga is working on the elements, getting close to the 5 elements. Just think about it. आप आपकी बिल्डिंग में टेरेस में ऊपर जाते हो, खुली हवा देख के आपको आनंद लगता है. आप दरिया किनारे जाते हो, पानी को देखते, दरिया को देख को आपको आनंद लगता है. When we go on a holiday, do we go to a crowded city place or we go to a scenic, natural, beautiful place? That means we want to connect with the nature. So the more I am able to connect with the nature, I am having a better vihar in my life. So that is the vihara. So for us, the vihar in our city life is the vihar of just water the plants. That itself is a very good way of connecting to the nature. So in little actions, wherever you are, support, help another person. उसके लिए कहीं बाहर या श्रमदान करने के लिए जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपने घर में ही अपने फैमिली मेंबर का भी अगर आप हाथ बटा पाओगे, that is also a recreation because you are connecting with that another person. Nature is everywhere.
In this time of lockdown, the best recreation is board games, card games. Play at least half an hour card
या
games
पत्ता
in
को
your
खेल रम्मी
घर
खेलो
में
घर
आपके
में बैठ
family
के.
members
Yes,
के
yes.
साथ में.
या पत्ता खेलो, लूडो खेलो,
So,
चेस खेलो. So many options are there.
हाँ जी. अच्छा, दूसरा है,
और दूसरा है ना, जब भी हम पत्ते खेलते हैं ना तो एक दूसरे को गाली भी देते हैं. तो उसमें क्या है, अपने को ऑटोमेटिकली जो निगेटिव है वो ऐसे ही बाहर खेलते खेलते निकल के आ जाता है. सो माइंड एकदम फ्री हो जाता है, धुल जाता है. आहार विहार, आचार इज रूटीन्स, हैविंग वेल प्लान्ड प्रॉपर रूटीन्स. मेरा कब उठना है, कब क्या करना है, एक उसका एक स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए. सो आहार विहार आचार एंड विचार, having positive thoughts, right thoughts, appropriate thoughts. You want to add anything?
I want to add in achar only.
Okay.
अचार बनाना है मुझे पहले.
कर लो.
See, achar means your structure of the day. अब ये सब आप सीखेंगे योग में. अगर आपने योग के मार्ग में अगर आप लग गए तो आचार में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. जैसे सुबह उठ के आपने जीवामूल शोधन किया, ये सब नाम आपको अभी नए लगेंगे, लेकिन जब आप योग के मार्ग में आ जाएंगे, अच्छे टीचर के पास सीखेंगे तो ये सारा आपको पता चले. जैसा जीवामूल शोधन करना है, त्राटक करना है सुबह, फिर आपको
त्राटक यानी कि कैंडल गेजिंग, क्योंकि सभी लोग योग को इंट्रोड्यूस किया हुआ नहीं है. तो त्राटक यानी कि कैंडल जलाना है, उस ज्योति के दीप को आपको देखते रहना है.
आजकल सब लोगों को पता होता है ये सारी चीजें. जल नीति तो सबको पता है.
हाँ.
नेजल क्लींजिंग, लर्न दैट प्रॉपरली, मेक इट as a way of your life. You will be away from all diseases arising out of stress. Once in a fortnight you can do Vaman Dhauti, that is Kunjal Kriya, vomiting out water, drinking 6 glasses of water and vomiting. Don't do it right away, learn it properly. So these are certain things which you have to incorporate in your day. Do 45 minutes or 1 hour asan every day, different asanas. Do pranayams. You do learn proper pranayams, like Nadi Shodhan is the specific pranayam which you should learn to handle stress and to keep the stress away from you for a long time. Then practice Ujjayi pranayam, Bhramari pranayam. These are all tranquilizing pranayams. They will help you. Ujjayi is there, Bhramari is there. Then daily once you can practice, or alternate day at least you can practice Yoga Nidra, half an hour. बहुत कम लगता है टाइम, लेकिन उससे लाभ काफी ज्यादा हो जाता है. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. कॉन्शियस रिलैक्सेशन, अगर आप ऑफिस जाते तो ऑफिस से आने के बाद में देयर कैन बी थिंग्स लाइक सिंपल शवासन, और इट कुड बी अ सिंपल निस्पंद भाव करके एक टेक्निक है, वो आप कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपका सिस्टम कूल डाउन हो जाएगा. यू आर फ्रेश अगेन टू एंजॉय योर इवनिंग. ओके, तो आफ्टर lunch, of after dinner, sitting in Vajrasan, after just before sleeping, doing your Nadi Shodhan again, or doing a technique which is called as reflection. तो ये मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि ये सारी चीजें जो है वो आपके लाइफ में धीरे 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 अगर लाएंगे, योगिक लाइफस्टाइल बनाएंगे, तो आपका capacity to handle stress will expand, it will increase extremely well. So that is what about the ahar, vihar, achar, vichar. Vichar is positive thoughts.
Positive
You can
thinking,
feed
constructive
yourself.
thoughts.
You can feed yourself with good thoughts, books, self-development books. I'm sure Stan is sharing with a lot of positive books. He's fond of them. I know that. But or if you can read some scriptures, Bhagavad Gita is there, Jnaneshwari is there, or
Self-help books.
whatever. So good thoughts have to be going inside every day. So positive thoughts have to be going on every day into your system.
Because जो आपका thought है वही आपका eventually character वही बनने वाला है. तो इसलिए thoughts तो जाने ही जाने.
And now after talking so much about stress, is immunity anything different? Immunity यही है. ये जब सब आप करेंगे, according to what is the meaning of immunity? Immunity is your capacity of your body to heal itself. ये सब आप करेंगे तो अपने आप आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ने वाली है. इम्यूनिटी का कोई गोली नहीं है, इम्यूनिटी का कोई आसन नहीं है.
अंदर से आती है. इवन जो डॉक्टर लोग हैं वो भी जब भी हमको दवाई देते हैं वो बोलते हैं हम लोग दवा देते हैं मगर आपका इलाज करने वाला दूसरा है, और वो भगवान के प्रति इशारा करते हैं. और एज अ योगा स्टूडेंट हम अपने प्रति ही इशारा करेंगे कि मैंने मेरी अंदर से इंट्रिंसिक हेल्थ को अच्छा ऐसे बनाना है, तंदुरुस्त ऐसे बनाना है जिससे मुझे कोई भी इन्फेक्टिंग माइक्रोब्स आ जाता है, मेरे ऊपर अटैक करता है, मैं ऐसे सशस्त्र बन पाऊं कि वो अटैक को मैं अपने आप को शील्ड करूं उससे और मैं सेफ रहूं. दैट इज वन लेवल. एंड सेकेंड लेवल, अगर मुझे कोई इन्फेक्शन हो भी जाता है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, आई गेट आउट ऑफ इट फास्टर. मैं उससे जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकल पाऊं, निपट पाऊं. सो बोथ द थिंग्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट इन इम्यूनिटी.
तो ये इम्यूनिटी के लिए एक हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं. समथिंग विच यू कैन डू ट्वाइस इन अ डे एटलीस्ट इज नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम.
ओके, लेट्स गो.
तो नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली सभी लोग करेंगे. तो लेट अस हैव अ प्रैक्टिकल इन दिस थिंग. Sit in whichever position you are sitting, but with your back straight. Drop your shoulders. Keep your palms on the knees. Join the thumb and the index fingertips, and the other three fingers are straight. This is called as Jnana Mudra. Pull your neck up and take your chin a little inwards. Feel your breath. Feel the easy breath. And now you can take a Nasika Mudra. Sandhya, can you show that? Nasika Mudra is with your right hand thumb, close your right nostril, and with your ring finger, close your left nostril, and the middle two fingers, the second finger and the middle finger, is straight up touching the center of the forehead. Now open the left nostril with the ring finger and slowly breathe in. Very slow, gentle, long, conscious breath in. Now close the left nostril and open the right nostril, and very controlled, slow breathing out consciously, smoothly. Now breathe in from the right slowly, consciously, in a controlled manner. Don't lose your concentration on the breath. Mind is fixed on the breath. And open your left nostril and breathe out slowly, controlled manner, smooth breath out. Do this for 2 more times. But see to it that your mind is completely absorbed in this activity on the breath. Breathe in from left, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right and breathe out from left. Again, breathe in from left. Breathe out from right slowly. Breathe in from right. Breathe out from left. Great. Keep your eyes closed for some time. Yes.
So this is called as a नाड़ी शोधन. The very name, ये नाड़ी शोधन. नाड़ी यानी कि हमारे शरीर में जो प्राणिक चैनल्स है, प्राण यानी कि प्राण शक्ति मूवमेंट वाला नाड़ी, और उसका
How did you
शोधन यानी
feel?
कि शुद्धि.
I want to know from you, what is the feeling? The feeling is of silence, tranquility, or is it of getting excited and feeling like doing something? If it is silence, please raise your hand up. अगर साइलेंस का है, कामनेस है, तो आपका हाथ ऊपर करें. So this silence you have to experience. You have to experience this silence at least twice in a day. Just now you did 3 rounds. Do at least 10 rounds of simple equal breathing from left to right, right to left. Okay, that's a starting step, you can say, for any kind of pranayam. Further pranayams like गर्मी में आपको शीतली प्राणायाम करना है. वुड यू लाइक टू डू अ शीतली प्राणायाम? अगर आप एसी में बैठे नहीं है, गर्मी एक्सपीरियंस महसूस कर रहे हैं, तो
close so that you can see me doing it. In Shitali Pranayam, you roll your tongue like this or like this, vertical or horizontal, whichever way works best with you. So I'll show it in a vertical manner. So here you do it. You can explain the technique.
Okay, roll your tongue, make your tongue wet. Breathe in air from the mouth. Long breath, slow in, and breathe out from the nose. Breathing out from the nose. Okay, Zubin, you can roll it. Zubin can roll the tongue in this way, if not in this way.
Some people cannot do it vertical.
You can do it this way.
You just do it. I'll show you
Okay.
the other way. Like this. So now you have an opening from 2 sides where you can inhale. Breathing out from the nose. It is a very instant cooling pranayam. Do it. Let's do all.
Do at
One
least
more
3
time.
times.
Yeah, 3 times. Do it. Do along. शीतली प्राणायाम करने से जिनको एसिडिटी की तकलीफ है, एसिडिटी कम हो जाती है, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, वो भी कर सकते हैं. उनका भी बीपी का कम होने में राहत मिलेगी. मगर जिनको बहुत ज्यादा सर्दी वगैरह होती है, कोल्ड कॉफ टाइप के, उनको नहीं करना है. कॉन्स्टिपेटिव टेंडेंसी हो तो उनके लिए शीतली प्राणायाम कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी होता है या कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटिव. पाचन शक्ति सुधारती है. रात को नींद नहीं आती, उनको भी सोने के पहले शीतली प्राणायाम करना है और आपकी नींद भी अच्छी आएगी. जब हम इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हैं तो हमको क्या ध्यान में रखना है कि मेरा डाइजेशन सुधरना चाहिए, मुझे भूख अच्छे से लगना चाहिए, मेरा श्वसन अच्छे से होना चाहिए और मेरा बॉडी में सर्कुलेशन अच्छे से होना चाहिए। ये मेरे बिल्कुल इंटरनल फंक्शंस है बॉडी के, ये सारे के सारे मेरे सुधरने चाहिए, फिर मेरा इम्यूनिटी है। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज माय नर्वस सिस्टम which is my reflexes to the external world and reflexes within my body when the body wants to adjust and cope up with the external world. तो ये मेरे सारी जो systems है वो अच्छी तरह से कार्यरत होनी चाहिए. That is homeostasis. So I didn't want to use the technical term. Let me talk something which is practical. तो ये हम लोग जैसे प्राणायाम किए हैं तो इससे मेरा इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाएगा, मेरे बॉडी का इंटरनल बैलेंस बढ़ेगा. दैट इज व्हाट नाड़ी शोधन इज डूइंग, दैट इज व्हाट शीतली इज डूइंग. जब भी मैं व्यायाम कर रहा हूँ आसन के जरिए, तो आसन जब मैं करता हूँ तो मुझे कौन से आसन लेने चाहिए जहाँ पे मेरा फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग अच्छी से हो सकता है. सो दैट विल गिव अ गुड एब्डोमिनल कॉम्प्रेशन, दैट विल हेल्प. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम अच्छी करनी है तो मुझे बैकवर्ड बेंड करना चाहिए. चलो हम अभी बैठे बैठे करते हैं. आप जैसे मैंने अभी हाथ ऐसे पकड़े हैं, आप ऐसे पीछे पकड़ लो अपने हाथ सब लोग. ओके, जहां आप बैठे हो वैसे ही बैठे हो, ऐसे हाथ पकड़ लो पीछे. बस अभी लंबा एक्सहेल कर लो जगह पे ही. अब सांस भरना शुरू करो. इनहेल, सांस भरते भरते सीना तानने दो, चेहरा ऊपर आने दो, चिन गोज बैक, नाइस बैकवर्ड बेंड. एक्सहेल करना शुरू करो, पेट अंदर सिकुड़ के अंदर आएगा. एक्सहेल करते करते ऑटोमेटिक रिवर्स रिटर्न आ जाओगे. राइट, लेट्स डू इट अगेन. इनहेल, एज योर सिस्टम, एज यू एक्सपांड, लंग एक्सपांड्स, फैलो फैलो फैलो, चिन भी ऊपर जाने दो, नाइस बैकवर्ड आर्च. एक्सहेल जैसे शुरू करोगे पेट सिकुड़ के अंदर आएगा नाभि से, and it is pulling you, restoring you back to the position. Very nice. Gradually तो अभी हम लोग क्या किया, श्वसन को भी जोड़ लिया और बॉडी की मूवमेंट को भी जोड़ लिया. That is the union, that is the union is yoga, yoga is मिलाप. तो हमने श्वसन के जरिए मेरा बॉडी माइंड का एक, अभी कुछ बाहर का दूसरा कुछ थॉट आया था क्या बीच में? You are just focused on the way you are doing it and returning. So what you are doing, you are helping yourself to get in the present moment. उस क्षण में, वर्तमान में आप जीना सीख रहे हैं थ्रू योगा. और यही तो हमारा इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाएगा और यही हमारा स्ट्रेस भी निकालेगा.
After all, body knows how to be in and how to heal itself. Only thing through things like yogic exercises, yogic asana is there, pranayam is there, meditation is there. What you are doing is you are removing all the covering and you are all allowing your swarupa to control yourself. It is not your mind which is controlling. It is not your body which is controlling. It is your inner being which is controlling. And when that is controlling, there is balance, and that balance will heal your body automatically. Now that is called as Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. You must have read that in the Bhagavad Gita. Now apart from that, your mental balance is also required. So there are pranayams which will help you. There are meditations which will help you. I have given certain meditations like thought meditation is there. Stan can share that link later on to you. So that will help you balance your mind and keep your focus on breath. And keeping your focus on breath will remove the extraneous thoughts. Okay, Stan, I think you can share that later on.
Later, बाद में share करना Stan.
Okay, trailer दिखा रहा है. Stan, दिखाओ.
Which I prefer to call as check post meditation. Sit in a comfortable position, either on your chair or cross-legged on ground, or wherever you are, so that your spine is erect, shoulders are down, and head is held high. Drop your hands, rest them on your knees, and you may assume
That's all.
they will get an idea. They can refer to this. एक मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट मेंटल बैलेंस में ये है कि आई शुड बी एबल टू सरेंडर, लेट गो. हर चीज को अपने हाथ में लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. हमारा बर्थ भी हमने तय नहीं किया था, वो हो गया तो बॉर्न हो गए. हर सिचुएशन हमारे लाइफ में जो आती है, कुछ मैंने प्लान की होती है, कुछ नेचर ने प्लान की होती है, और मैंने जो प्लान की है वो एग्जैक्ट वैसे के वैसे जाती भी नहीं है. उसमें भी कुछ एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स आ ही जाते हैं. तो फिर जब देर इज सो मच ऑफ एक्सटर्नल फोर्स विच इज ऑलरेडी गाइडिंग मी, तो हर चीज को मेरे हाथ में पकड़ने का जो क्या बोलते हैं रिजिडिटी है ना, उसको त्यागना है. तो दैट इज वेयर योगा टॉक्स अबाउट ईश्वर प्रणिधान, सरेंडरिंग एंड लेटिंग गो. ये भी आएगा तो भी अपना काफी हद तक लाइफ सुधर सकता है.
And we are talking about immunity. Now, last point is in these times of pandemic, COVID-19, especially related with the respiratory tract or the upper respiratory tract. What are the techniques which you should be doing, you can do to keep yourself away from this disease? One is Jalneti, second is Kapal Randra Dhauti. Can you do Kapal Randra Dhauti?
कपाल रंध्र धोती, वेरी नाइस टेक्निक. आप सब लोग अपना राइट अंगूठा ले लो और अपने फोरहेड पे दबाओ, दबाओ और रिलीज करो, मगर अंगूठा का टच बनाए रखना. डोंट डिस्कनेक्ट द अंगूठा फ्रॉम योर फोरहेड. यू कैन सी माइन. ऐसा दबाओ रिलीज, दबाओ रिलीज. आंख बंद रखना है सबने. चलो लेट्स डू इट 5 times with your eyes closed. Go on giving more and more pressure. दबाओ, बढ़ाओ, बढ़ाओ, बढ़ाओ. ग्रेजुअली रिलीज कर लो. आंखों को बंद ही रखना है. फिर से दबाओ, दबाओ, प्रेस, ग्रेजुअली रिलीज. और एक बार कर लो. धीरे धीरे प्रेशर बढ़ाना, धीरे धीरे उसको घटाना. ये हमारे फ्रंटल साइनसिस कॉर्टिकल रीजन ब्रेन पे काम कर रहा है. इससे बहुत राहत मिलती है. इससे म्यूकस जो कफ का दोष है उसका निवारण हो जाता है. क्लियर थिंकिंग, क्लैरवॉयंस जैसे बोलते हैं, वो इसका लाभ होता है. अभी हमने यहाँ पे 5 बार किया है. आप जब अपने आप करोगे ना, उसको 15 बार करो, अच्छे से करो. यू कैन एक्चुअली फील दैट. फिर यू कैन मसाज अराउंड योर आईज. सी यू कैन लुक एट मी मसाजिंग योर अराउंड योर आईज. ऐसा गोल घुमाओ ऐसा. तो ऐसा करने से क्या हो रहा है, हम देखो अब भी करो, मैं सुनते सुनते मेरे साथ में करो. चलो
Only in one direction.
एक ही डायरेक्शन में. देखो मैं जैसे कर रही हूँ. इट इज गिविंग नाइस ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. देखो अपना आईब्रोज के ऊपर, टेम्पल्स, चीक बोन्स के यहाँ से ऐसा गोल करेंगे. There are so many nerve ending sensitive points, मर्म स्थान जिसको बोलते हैं. ये सबको हम स्टिम्युलेट कर रहे हैं. साइनस एरिया जो है हमारा, उसको यहाँ पे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को उद्युक्त कर रहे हैं. उसके कारण ज्यादा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होगा तो टॉक्सिन्स बाहर फेंकने की क्रिया फास्ट हो जाएगा.
Great, great. You are a great crowd. A very participative crowd. Fantastic. Okay. Next, you can do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is something which is known to everybody thanks to Ramdev Babaji.
Yeah.
Only thing is in Kapalbhati, don't expect exercise in Kapalbhati. Don't expect that your stomach will go in and all that. वो सब नहीं है. Kapalbhati is to just exhale out air from the upper respiratory tract and focus on the center of the forehead and try to remove the thoughts, try to remove the toxins from the forehead area. तो ये आप किसी अच्छे टीचर के साथ सीख सकते हैं. This is not, I think, the forum where you can teach it. Then there are 2 pranayams. Anulom Vilom is what we learned now. Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan is the same thing. That is, you have to do every day to keep the COVID-19 away. Ujjayi pranayam or ocean breathing is something again you have to learn from a proper teacher and do it at least 5 to 10 times daily to keep your respiratory tract in order. Once in at least 15 days or 8 days, you should do the Vaman Dhauti. The Vaman Dhauti is Ridha Dhauti. It will remove out phlegm from your respiratory tract. And that is highly recommended for working against the COVID-19. Then there are asanas like which give you forward the backward extension, like Bhujangasana is there, or the Chakrasana is there, Salabh Ushtrasana is there. So these are all asanas which you can do. Apart from that, there is extension which you get in the Gomukhasana, the cow mouth pose. Then there are, as Sandhya said, this forward bending of Paschimottanasana. Then the working on Vakrasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana for
Spine.
twisting. For
Just
again
remember
generating.
spine and moving the spine in all the direction. I'll do it again. This is my spine, vertical lengthening of the spine, forward bending of the spine, backward bending of the spine, twisting of my spine, and then lateral bending of the spine, all this, and inverted spine also, like Shirshasana or Sarvangasana.
If you are able to do Sarvangasana,
So ये सारी movement मुझे करनी ही है.
ये आप करेंगे तो I don't think COVID will be interested in you anymore. Okay, Corona will run away from you because he is very allergic to these things. So I think we will close our session here. I hope this was understandable and it gave some value to you and you found it interesting and workable in your life to adopt certain things in your life so that you can benefit from it. Stan, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Nitin and Sandhya. I think COVID-19 हमको बहुत कुछ सिखा रहा है कि Zoom के ऊपर भी हम लोग घर पे बैठ के योगा कर सकते हैं. ये भी COVID-19 का एक पॉजिटिव एडवांटेज एक हम लोग ले सकते हैं. So we need to be thankful to whatever is happening around us because we cannot resist. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं, if you resist, if it persists, so अब हमको accept करना है and we have to work towards as to what could be a possible solution within the situation that we have. तो इसके लिए to have a session on a Sunday, Sunday एक तो पूरा अभी छुट्टी का माहौल जैसा है, जितना स्ट्रेस भी आ जाएगा, लोग थोड़ा ज्यादा सोते भी हैं. And on a Sunday afternoon तो लोगों को तो मतलब ये हक बनता है कि भाई सोएं. But इस दौरान भी I think we had close to 120 people doing yoga. I think it's crazy. So thank you so much, everybody for participating, and thank you Sandhya and Nitin for giving your valuable time and also a lot of valuable tips. Of course, I understand हम लोग थोड़ा भी trial and error कर रहे हैं क्योंकि Zoom is new to a lot of people and Zoom के ऊपर क्या technique से we can make yoga very effective is something that we all need to do a little bit of trial. तो उसमें हो सकता है कि there could be a small. By the way,
Stan, we are doing regularly these online classes of Asana Pranayam, and also we have recently started a teacher training course which is entirely exclusively online.
Yeah.
So there are, since we are used to doing that previously, also we're trying to.
Perfect.
And Asana class and Pranayam meditation class also happen.
Yeah. Can you also talk about the course that you're offering to people? जहाँ भी हैं. Especially, I guess, I don't know whether it's Mumbai or anywhere else. So
anywhere. Actually, this is New Age Yoga Institute is a government certified yoga teacher training school, and we have had till now about 200 teachers who are trained with us, and more than 150 or 160 teachers are certified. Some of them are already here. Please raise your hands.
Teachers,
please raise your hand. So some of you are already here, and so that has been already always an offline class, but we always give a support of an online facility for people who could not come physically. But now we have started a 2 months course, which is exclusively online, and there are people from the US, people from Dubai, one person is from Singapore, and then one from somewhere in Rajasthan.
One is in neighborhood.
Yeah, Andheri also.
Okay, so so जैसे हम लोग अभी कोविड की बात करते हैं और लगातार हमारे वेबिनार में सब एक्सपर्ट यही कहते हैं कि कोविड-19 ने और जो लॉकडाउन ने ये जियोग्राफिकल एंड रीजनल और लिंग्विस्टिक ये बैरियर को सब तोड़ दिया है. Today the humanity is one force, and today I also want to mention when we are doing it. So as professionals of yoga, you're doing a great work to the humanity, because now it's not only considered as a medicinal therapy under Ayush, but the whole, the world is, wanting to experience the benefits of yoga. So thank you very much for that. As a professional, you are actually contributing towards nation building and trying to help people to de-stress themselves, increase the immunity. And yoga, jo simple घर पे बैठ के without much of an investment, you don't need heavy equipments and all that. It's just a mat and a little bit of space that is required. So there are a couple of questions that we have here. So if you can answer that. जब ये आसनास करते हैं, is there a particular sequence कि पहले ये करना चाहिए, उसके बाद में ये करना चाहिए? Is there any particular sequence, or you can do it randomly?
Yes, there is. So you normally start with the Sukshma Vyayam or the joint mobility movements first. So once the body is ready, then you do the asana like a standing asana, then sitting asana, then supine or sleeping asana. That will be a generic flow of the asana. That is how we will be doing.
Yeah, okay. So I'm sure, you can search for Sandhya Patki and Nitin Patki on Google. They'll have a lot of videos on YouTube, so you can get in touch with them. And I absolutely thank everybody for being so supportive. Just at the end, I just want to tell you that, there are a lot of people who are actually contributing. Today,